Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today let's take a look at Dogepick and TonPick, two great faucets to earn and play games. Get started by signing up to both websites with your C-Wallet email. Let's work on TonPick first. After you log in, go to your dashboard at the top. Here you have Faucet, Games, Contest, and Withdraw. Both websites are identical, so use Dogepick the same way you use TonPick. Choose Faucet. Now scroll down and solve the CAPTCHA. Great. Now click over to Dogepick and solve the CAPTCHA there as well. Your reward depends on what you roll. Stone is the lowest reward and Master is the highest. Great. When you have enough coins, you can withdraw to your C-Wallet. The minimum withdrawal is 0.1 ton and 10 Doja. After you sign up to the websites, make sure to verify your email to get your 10 bonus spins. You can also play games to multiply your tokens. Try your luck in Dice Plinko slots and more. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.